Hey art lovers! There are plenty of techniques of creating a net, but how about learning one of them in the easiest way? So here's the new idea of braiding a net in Zape's creative way. My new plastic jug had lost its beautiful flower stickers with time. They got more washed away and was of no use, but how about reuse and recycling? Measure the length and circumference and fix the same size paper to draw the margin on the top of the jar. Fix the designer tape as a lining and mark circles just under the tape margin. Use an electric hot needle to pierce the hole on the markings. The hot needle easily drills holes into the plastic by melting it. The size of the rope needs to be 4 times the length of the jar. Fold it into half and insert from the inside of the jar as shown. Cover the entire opening. Let's fix an adhesive designer paper to give it a glam. Amongst the 2 strands released from each knot, divide them as done, one down and the other up. Tie the strands collected on the top. Now fix the ones kept downwards in a slanting direction using a boat pin at the base. Now release the top strands. Just interloop it as done in a mat using a thick hole needle. Keep braiding it till all the strands are over. We are almost done. Let's fix the base. Before removing the boat pins, use hot glue to fix those respective strands, followed by eliminating the pins tucked in. Now with the help of crochet needles, interloop the leftover ending strands as shown. Let's fix the end strands using hot glue again. Now mark and cut the top ring removed earlier. Cover this ring with the same rope . By tying a knot, followed by gluing it. To cover the untidy base, I'm going to fix a flower-shaped pin holder, followed by fixing the ring bangle at the base of the jar. There are plenty of ideas to make a holder out of waste, but my intention was to show you guys a demo of braiding a net on the jar. My upcoming tutorials are based on many such creative techniques, and to keep in touch, don't forget to subscribe. Till then, keep crafting. Bye-bye.